This has ceased to become fun. If I ever wants to hike 2 hours in a fucking snowfall to go to McClay, I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm not. Look at this. This is in the last, like, maybe 20 minutes. It's snowing a half an inch. It's snowing an inch an hour right now. I'm not going to hike that. No fucking way. It has to stop. We have to tie down our sleds. We have to set everything up and hike for 2.5 hours. Up there, it was already a foot and a half deep, at least a foot and a half. It's probably like 2 feet deep up there. Not gonna happen. Not today. Unless it totally stops snowing within the next like hour. That's my story. Stick to it.